Welcome to Mithila TV. DG of Sashastra Seema Bal Anish Dayal Singh IPS visited the headquarters of 48th Battalion Kamala BOP Jaynagar Mithila on 25th November 2022. Purpose of this visit was to survey the unit and discuss about the peace and harmony effort on India-Nepal borders. He, alongside other dignitaries from Nepal who were Prakash Kumar Subedi, Ramesh Kumar Thapa, Anand Pandey, DIG Ganesh Thada, and S.S.B IG Pankaj Daraz, Muzaffarpur DIG Ranjit, 48 Battalion Commandant I.S. Punmai, 18 Battalion Commandant Arvind Verma, Kamala BOP Sunil Dutt, Madhavani Captain Sushil Kumar, DSP Biplab Kumar, BDO Baby Kumari from India were honored with Mithila Pag shawl and Mithila painting by officers of 48th Battalion Jaynagar. The visit was divided in several segments. Firstly, he surveyed the functioning and working of different units in Jaynagar. There, alongside taking a report on peace effort on India-Nepal border, he also assessed and inquired about the living condition of soldiers there. He also checked upon their requirement and needs. In second leg of visit, the group of dignitaries visited major pillar in Mahinathpur border. The visit was concluded with plantation of several fruit-bearing trees at adjoining areas. This news is reported by Suresh Kumar Gupta from Jaynagar. Editor Shyam Sunder Jha, sub-editor Vibha Jha. Our contact number is 9971362584. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share.